Hey guys, welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In this new series, we will introduce to you the 3 must-have PageFly elements for creating a stunning Shopify site. As a powerful website builder, PageFly is committed to showcasing its capabilities through these videos. So let's get started. Let's take a quick look at this banner. A background image is a powerful visual element that can make a website or landing page more engaging and memorable. By choosing a high-quality and relevant background image, businesses can enhance their branding, convey their message, and create an emotional connection with their audience. Additionally, a well-crafted background image can help to guide the viewer's eye towards important information and calls to action. To create a stunning banner on PageFly, you can simply drag and drop a full-width section into the editor. Next, I choose a background video. You can choose an image too. Now, let's adjust padding top and bottom to make it bigger. Normally the banner size should be 600 pixels. What you need to do now is adding a promotion quote by using heading and paragraph elements and restyle it on the Styling tab. It's gonna look like this. Let's check on mobile. And voila, we finish. Move to the next reveal. It's call to action button. A clear and prominent call to action button or CTA button is essential for driving conversions. I will take Heinz as an example. They draw user attention and direct them towards a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. By tracking the number of clicks or conversions, businesses can measure the success of their website or marketing campaign and make informed decisions about future strategies. PageFly offers a variety of customizable CTA buttons that you can add to your pages. I will add a button on the previous banner we made. And restyle on the Styling tab. It will look like this. Easy, right? Next, to create a FOMO effect for customers, adding a countdown timer to your product page can create a sense of urgency, encourage visitors to make a purchase before time runs out, and increase social proof to generate the exclusivity that adds value and prestige, enticing visitors to take immediate action. With PageFly, you can easily add a customizable countdown timer to any page by dragging and dropping it in the editor. As you can see on the General tab as its parameter. We also have free templates containing these elements for you to choose from. Let's pick this one. It's gonna look like this. I will choose a new background image for this banner. Or changing text is your preference. And there you have it.